Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is brought to you by RPGSHOW. So if you don't know, RPGSHOW is a luxury line of human hair wigs. So with that luxury line comes with a luxury price. So I know we are in a crisis right now and a lot of people aren't working steadily and stuff like that. So if this is not in your budget, don't feel any pressure to purchase it. It's that simple. Always shop in your budget. Watch one of my more affordable wig reviews because I have 7 years of content of a lot of affordable wigs that you can watch if you know this is not in your budget. So no pressure ever. This is the box that it came in. It's a nice box here. And fun fact, I've been saving a lot of my boxes from wig companies, and I think I'm going to recover them and use them in my office somehow. I saw some stuff on Pinterest and it looked pretty cool. I'll keep you guys in the loop when I do that, but save these boxes in a nice garment bag like this. So this is really nice for storage. The wig that I have is in the style Vivian. It is a Yaki texture, which is my favorite. As you guys know, if you don't know, RPGSHOW and My First Wig are sister companies, and they usually have the option of choosing a silky version or a Yaki version. I usually go with Yaki because I just feel like it more closely resembles my natural hair texture. So this is what Vivian looks like. It is a ombre colored wig. So I requested 16 inches, but they sent me 20 inches. So this is not gonna be that length. But I don't feel like cutting it, so I think I'm just going to keep it the same length. I have it in the cap size 2, which is 22.5 to 23 inches. My head size is a 23 inches in circumference. This is a cap size B, which is their lace front. It's 200% density. The lace color is their tinted transparent Swiss lace, and it's light brown. And the color is light brown. So you see how that lace just melts into my hand. That lace looks good. So here's the inside of the cap. There we go. You have the mesh back there. You have your elastic, your adjustable elastic band. You have your little lace in the back, so if you want to do updos, you can do that. You have a comb in the back as well as adjustable straps, and 2 combs on the far left and right side. So I'm going to try this on for you guys. Alright, so this is what we got going on here. It does have some layers in it, and you'll probably see the layers a lot more once I flat iron this and everything. Here's the length. Obviously not 16 inches. It looks like 20 to me. Do I want to cut it though? This is pretty. I like this color. And this is the last wig I'm reviewing today, so I'm going to keep this on all day. Oh, I had to, had that in there. Let me see. Maybe. We'll see. So here's what the lace is looking like on my head. It's looking pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and apply this. But first I have to clean off my forehead because it does have makeup and residue from a previous wig review that I did today. And I would highly recommend, cleaning your forehead off or applying your wig when you don't have on makeup, because that, to me, has yielded the best results. Alright y'all, hold up now. So I took my wig cap off, so I'm not wearing one. I would suggest you have on one because it's a lot of combs and all that kind of stuff inside the cap that can pull out your hair. But just for today, I'm not going to wear one because I can't find my black wig caps. So I tweezed the hairline just a little bit just because I'm extra and I really do like, my hairlines to be the right density. The hairline to start with looks good, but I like to thin out my hairlines. So I might be able to wear this Glueless because I just sat it on my hairline, y'all. Sat it on my hairline. And it's looking good. But it's lifting a little bit. Maybe if I adjust the straps, I can wear it Glueless.
You know it's way too late. Regretting our mistakes. You got so head over heels crazy. Need to apologize. We went too far this time. Come a little closer. There's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby. Please don't walk away. I love you and yeah. You got nothing to prove, oh baby. I know you'll do right by me. I'll do right by you. You got nothing to prove, oh baby. I know we got this. It's way too easy to say stuff I never do. You know it's not how I feel, baby. So can we let this slide? Can't stand to see you cry. Come a little
Alright guys, so we're back and I have applied Vivian. It was very easy. Super duper easy, as it should be, because this is very expensive and they've done all the work for you. They bleached the knots. The lace is that tinted Swiss lace and it's light brown, so it blends beautifully into my complexion. I did make the part stand out a little bit more, and I added some pressed powder to the part and I just flat ironed it. So you can of course put curls in it if you want to. This is a Yaki texture again. This is a Yaki texture, and I feel like Yaki textures hold curls a little bit longer. And this is a 150% density. Now, I originally asked them for 16 inches because I feel like the everyday length is just something that's more wearable for me. And you know, it's about to be, well, it's spring and then we're gonna move into summer and you don't want a lot of hot hair. So this is 150% density and Yaki. So I think it's probably gonna make you hot. So I would recommend going with a shorter length, and you might I don't know if you can choose your density, but I think the density is fine. It's just at this length, it's probably gonna make you hot. Again, about this price point. So this wig starts off at $339 and that's for the 14 inches. And I think that is if you don't get it dyed. So the more specs and stuff you add to your wig, the higher it's gonna be. But honestly and truly, I would go with the 14 inches or the 16. The 14 is like $300, in the $300 range. The 16 is in the $400 range. And then this one, which is in the 20 inches, is getting up into the $500 range. So go with what is in your budget, but honestly, just for the look of it, I would go with 14 or 16. I do think this is very pretty, a nice natural style. But again, if this is like just out of your budget completely, there's a lot of straight synthetic wigs that you could probably, you know, dupe this for. So, you know, you don't have to get this, but I do think this is very pretty and very easy to apply. As far as like shedding and tangling and stuff, I don't have any shedding and I don't have any tangling. I feel like if you go with a shorter length like 14 or 16, it's going to show off the layers a lot more, because the layers are really pretty. If you are interested in Vivian or any wig on RPGSHOW, I have a link to their website and a direct link to where you can purchase this wig. Shout out to RPGSHOW for sponsoring today's video, and shout out to you guys for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Be sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every time that I do another upload. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.
it's way too late.